Hello everyone, my name is Nikita and today my topic is Spring Boot. Before jumping into code, let me briefly explain what is Spring Boot. Spring Boot. Spring Boot is a Java-based framework used to create standalone web application and REST APIs quickly. It is built on top of the Spring framework and makes development easier by providing auto configuration, having an embedded service like Tomcat, requiring no XML configuration, supporting development using annotations like at the rate, REST controllers, at the rate, service, etc. It helps us create production ready app with less code and in less time. With less code and less time. Less time. Like example, if a traditional spring is like manually cooking food and spring boot is like using a smart cooker. It handles most things for you. Let's create our projects. Go to browser and search start.spring.io. Okay, start.spring.io. This is official site for Spring Initializers. Project select project as Maven, language Java, Spring Boot version is 3.5.3. Group artifact name is number print. Java is 17. Now we add the dependencies. Spring Web. We add Spring Web dependency for making RESTful APIs. And also one more is DevTools. DevTools is used for auto reloading. When we add new code and remove it auto reload our project. Now click on generate button. After clicking generate button, I downloaded the zip file. Now I will extract this file. Okay. After extracting this file, I will open VS Code. Now I open the folder number print. This is my file structure. Our project is taking some time for starting. Now, okay. Our project is ready. Now we can write our code. Okay. Right click on base package and create a new package, new folder, controller. And again right click on base package and create new folder for service. Control control package is for handles API request and service package contains business logic. This is our main class. This is our main class. It helps it start our application. Now right click on controller package and create new file. Number controller. Now right click on service package and create new file. Number service.java. Okay. Now we can write our code. First we write code in service class. Now we import list from java.util package. Also import array list from java util package. Now this is our service class logic. We add service annotation. This class implements the logic. We use a for loop to generate number between start and end points and return them as a list. Now we go to our controller class. We write code here. Firstly, we auto-wired our service class. First, we import this. Also import our service class. Okay. Public We import list from java.utl package. We add REST controller annotation. Import this. Request mapping. We also import this. Get mapping. Print. Also import get mapping. Okay. Now we run this project. Okay. Our application is working on this port number. Now open Thunder client. Click on new request. Localhost 8080 API. Print start value is 2 and end value is 7. Now click on send button. Error. Localhost 00 API print start 5. The error number third party boarding records localhost HTTP. Okay. This is our output. Now I will show you our file structure. This is my file structure of my project. Uh, so this way a very simple demo of Spring Boot where I built a REST API using controller plus service structure, uh, controller plus service structure. Clean code with no extra configuration, simple logic inside the service layer, testing by Thunder client. In a real world app, this can be extended to include logging at the rate SLF, error handling. Now I will explain what we did in this project. project name, number print. Our goal is create a simple API that returns a list of numbers from start to end point. Tools used in this project: Spring Boot, Java 17, Maven, VS Code, and Thunder Client. Uh, Layer used in our project: controller layer and service layer for business logic. Now discuss project flow. Project flow of this app. User sends GET request to API, print print start value is 3 and n equal to 7. Okay. Controller passed value to the service layer. Service layer used service layer used a for loop for generate numbers. Last is response sent to send back as list integer. What we learned in this project: Spring Boot setup using Spring Initializer, REST API creation using @REST controller and service layer with business logic, and last is clean architecture without extra complexity. complexity. Uh, we build a simple but structured Spring Boot REST API that prints numbers using a for loop. Even in a small project like this, following proper architecture, controller, service help us write clean code and maintainable code. This gives a strong foundation to build bigger system in future. Thank you.